Today's recipe are for my favorite crepes. Very nice buttery eggy crepes. It's so easy, you want to make it every day. All-purpose flour and some salt, milk and water, stir till all the flour disappears and it's no longer lumpy. Whisk 1 whole egg. Add it to the smooth batter. Mix everything together. You could cook it right now or sieve it to remove any lumps that might still be in the batter. I'll sieve it so that it's yummy. Stir the batter before you cook it. Use butter to fry so it's buttery and fragrant. Spread the batter out so it's even. You'll notice the sides start to dry up, and then soon you'll be able to turn it to cook the other side. It should take seconds to cook each side. Use low fire so that it will be soft and yummy. It might be easier if you have a crepe making pan. I'm just using a regular pan, so it's not pretty, but it works too. When you see the little bubbles appear, the crepe is done. I couldn't resist it. I ate one while I was cooking. This recipe should get you around 6 crepes, depending on the size of your frying pan. My family likes to eat it with savoury dips like curry, but you can always use some sweet toppings or just be generous with some icing sugar. And you'll have a nice snack or breakfast. I hope you give it a go. Enjoy!